we'll be making a refreshing and healthy drink called Orangina. And these are our ingredients. So let us prepare our mise en place, which means everything in its place in French. So in front of us we have our ingredients in our mise en place. So we have sparkling water, blue agave, and oranges. You could also replace the oranges with any type of citrus fruit like lemons or even limes if you want. So let us get started. Our oranges, we're going to add our natural sweetener, agave. So I know that I talked about soda a few minutes ago, and you would be surprised how much sugar, or the sugar that, the white one specifically, that you would find in those drinks. This, luckily, is actually from a cactus. Similar to tree sap, it's extracted from a cactus, and it's used to make a natural sweetener, which is much healthier for you. So to our Orangina, we're going to add about half a cup. I have a 1/4 cup measurement, so I'm going to do 2 of those, but if you have half a cup, feel free to use that. It actually tastes really similar to maple syrup. It actually is very, very similar to that. After adding our sweetener agave, we're now going to give it a mix. Make sure it's all incorporated. You can hear the sizzling of the sparkling water, which is super duper cool. After stirring, we're going to take out our spoon, throw on the top of our pitcher, and pour a nice refreshing cup of this. I garnish my cup with strawberry. You could garnish it with an orange or whatever you would like to make it aesthetically pleasing. And there you go, a cup of Orangina. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey to make a refreshing drink. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!